In 2025, Predis AI has emerged as one of the most impressive AI content creation platforms, designed to help marketers, entrepreneurs, and social media managers create high-quality posts, advertisements, graphics, and short videos with just a single text prompt, promising to save hours of work while maintaining consistent branding across multiple platforms. In today's fast-paced digital marketing world, producing engaging content that attracts clicks, views, and conversions is more challenging than ever, and Predis AI positions itself as the ultimate solution by combining text generation, visual creation, and video production all in one platform. The way it works is simple, yet powerful. Users input a short description of their campaign, product, or desired post. Select a tone, style, and format, and the AI generates ready-to-use social media content, ad copy, creative graphics, and even short videos that can be exported, scheduled, or posted directly to supported social media accounts. Among its strongest features are multi-platform support, a large library of customizable templates, AI-driven video creation, multilingual options, and analytics-driven recommendations that optimize content for higher engagement. Predis AI also uses machine learning to adapt suggestions based on past performance, which helps marketers improve campaigns over time. However, the platform is not without limitations. Generated content can occasionally feel repetitive or generic. Advanced video editing features are only available in premium tiers, and achieving professional-level results still requires careful prompt writing and some human refinement. When compared to competitors like Jasper AI, Copy.ai, or Canva's AI suite, Predis AI stands out for its ability to produce text, visuals, and video in one seamless workflow. Though competitors may offer better copywriting finesse, lower subscription fees, or simpler interfaces for beginners. Overall, Predis AI is highly recommended for marketers, content creators, and agencies looking to save time, maintain brand consistency, and scale content production efficiently, while understanding that human oversight is necessary to polish outputs and ensure authentic, high-performing campaigns. For those overwhelmed by content demands or juggling multiple tools, Predis AI can transform your workflow and significantly increase productivity. If this detailed review helped clarify the platform's real value, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and leave a comment sharing your experience with AI content creation tools or any questions you have.